Thursday, September 20th. It's just a beautiful day out. It rained a 1/4 inch last night, and it really cleared out the smoke from some new fires that started. We've had 2 freezes, light frosts, in September already. You can see the damage here. I'll show you some more damage as we uncover it. But we've had a recovery in some of the squash, which is good. See some patty pans in there. You can see that squash really got hit. And some more frozen leaves here in our winter squash pumpkin area. I just harvested a mini pumpkin, our first orange pumpkin. And with the water and the moisture, and it hasn't rained in weeks, but it rained a 1/4 inch last night. It's looking nice. I just harvested most of these squash and traded for a bunch of stuff I needed. So we have some to harvest here. These are the hugel mounds. Looks like I got some beets coming up in here. Some dino kale, edible chrysanthemum that I'm collecting seed from. Some basil. Got some carrots. Here you can see this Asian kale going to seed, this brassica. So in about a week I'll have tens of thousands of seeds for next year. We're going to want to redo that. You see some nice volunteer mustards coming up. I would nibble on. Some of the bleeding heart amaranth and the way that looks right before harvest. Beautiful. Leaning over. Some wild tansy, amelanchier, which is a serviceberry, and some mum. Pestamon. We got some, you see the, even though the zooks got damaged, there are some big guns in there. I got about 10 inside, that size. Some nice heirloom Italians. French beans never quite did anything there. Ooh, this is a nice little variegated. Gremlin's got a skull of an elk. She's happy as can be. So I'm gonna do some garden work today. I got a blackberry and some fall snap peas I planted. Just give you an idea of the biodiversity we got here. Got some kale. Look at this basil. I'm amazed it didn't freeze over here. So it's probably warmer over here. We got some fall plantings of kale. This is a Vates Blue. Really non-offensive and easy to eat raw. Been working planting this bed. We got some fall perennial volunteers. Asian kale that's flowering, which means I'm gonna have seed. These are really good. And we have some Amish deer tongue or old Mr. Speckles here. And looks like red leaf lettuce. This looks delicious. This is a little bit more bitter, but this is not. So by self-seeding in layers, you have multiple food sources that you can come up here and eat. Really nice red raspberry coming in. All of our potatoes are ready for harvest. There's some nice giant mustard just coming up there. It's coming up everywhere because I just throw it all, the seed everywhere. And then it self-seeds. These are our potatoes ready to harvest. Jerusalem artichoke ready to harvest. Gorgeous cosmos. Really a nice bee plant. We've got lots of our honeybees I can see on here. And they're going into one of our 5 hives. But it is harvest season. Check out all the peppers on there. Let's get to it. There's a lot to eat here. Oh, it's a bonus. Snap pea bonus growing up the side here. Show you the progress on the barn dominium. Wild West. All rough cedar trim, so I don't have to ever paint it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm gonna eat lunch. Be safe. Enjoy the view.